Hello, right. Welcome to chapter 7. This is all on data. So what we're going to do, I'm going to walk you through some of the key things in 701 and show you how to do stuff to present. Now, so data, organising and displaying it. Now, I found a good diagram to explain that. So you have the raw data, all mixed, there's no patterns, then can be sorted, arranged, visually presented and explained with a story. So we've got, this whole chapter is basically all about this. So let's go and come back to the textbook. Here we are. So we've got column graph is the first one they look at. The graph with the columns are joined together, that's a histogram, which we can look at later, but this one, the column graph, you've got categories down the bottom, horizontal axis, and the vertical axis is the frequency, which is basically how many of each group. So looks like people with eye colour, blue has got a score of 9, frequency of 9, brown 7, and so on. This next one, the sector graph, otherwise known as a pie chart or a circle graph, and I think I found a good, or did I put that? No, I didn't put that one. Let's go back. This one is used a lot in the media and around the place where they show the categories and how they fit into the whole. It's a bit different to this one. This one compares categories to each other but not how it fits into the whole. So pie chart, sector graph shows the relationship to the whole. Alright, now there are a couple other ones that we're not going to look at today, this week. So what have we got here? Oh yes, example 1, we've got a column graph based on this information about people watching TV sport. And we've got, there's 6 categories, and they come up with the column graph looks like this. There's a way you can do it using Excel. Excel's part of Office, and you just type in one column, their categories, and next to each one you've got your numbers for each category. And then once you've done that, you go insert, and we go over here to the charts. Now we're doing column graph. Looks like that one. There's not much difference between these two, except the width of the columns, and then that does a percentage. So once you get into Excel and you put the information in, displaying it is easy. So you go insert, and over here to charts, and we're going to do the column graph. So let's just do that again. There we are. And that'll display it like that. And when it comes to do the exercise, all we have to do is do a screenshot and present it. Okay, so that's that one. Might just, yep, I'll take that away, come back to that. Let's go back to the textbook. And it talks about the sector graph, pie graph. And you can also do that in Excel as well. But I also found a website you can do that too, comparing each category and how it's compared to the whole. Now in Excel, they've done the same statistics, so we're going to do that too. We've got our information there, the data, and if we go insert, this time we're going to go, there we are. The trouble with this one, the key is a little bit small, but you can choose your method of presenting. However you like, but that's the same information we had before. It just put it into a sector graph, pie graph. Where if we had to do these by hand, it is very difficult, so using Excel is probably the easiest way to do it. Once you've got the information there, so I'll just do that step again. I'll just delete that off. So you've got the information put in, categories down one column, the numbers for each category in the second column, insert, and we're going charts, the pie graph, and that one will do. Click on that, and why is that not coming up? Delete. I'm going to try that again. Charts, there it is. There we go. That easy. Okay, let's go back. So we've got column graphs and sector graphs or pie graphs. Another one is a frequency table. And I've got there it is, frequency table here. Just to show you how to do it. The first thing you do is we've got to sort the scores, and they've got to be in order. So once you've found the lowest score, in this case is 0, then you need to go down, even to the higher score. Now some of these may not appear, but you've got to do them sequentially, one step at a time. So once we've found the lowest score and the highest score, we put them in order, one step at a time, even though some of these numbers may not be here. In this case they are. So once we've done that, we'll go, there's a 2, cross it off, and tally is like that. So you can keep the tally. There's a 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, and when you get to 5, we just like that to keep the tally. Another 1, 2, that's 5 there now, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2. There we are. And the frequency is just the tally column is a number. So how many times 0 appears in this group of data is twice. There are 7 1s, 8 2s, 2 3s, and 1 4. And there is a frequency table. Okay, let's go back to the textbook. And now we've done all that, we have the questions in the textbook to do, and I did put those. Exercise 701, questions 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. So you can present them how you like. There's a couple of column graphs, a sector graph, and a couple of frequency tables. So how you do those is up to you. Thank you.